What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Whew, it's been a while since I made a video, and I've been trying to make videos, but I've been working. I got a whole bunch of shit going on. Still got the SI here. Yes, the SI is still here, and I realized I don't even got on my mic. Hold on, let me go get my mic. Go in my bag real quick. Get my mic on. Alright, now hopefully that sounds a lot better. So, I apologize for you guys that have been waiting for updates, vlogs, everything. It's been a while. I've been working a lot lately, so, you know, I have been trying to fix up things. I got my boys' trends back because apparently something happened and, you know, something didn't feel right. So, you know, I went through all the gears again, made sure everything is good. Everything is good, so I just got to re-tap something on his trans, and his trans is good to go. But I haven't been giving this thing much love lately. As you can see, this thing is dirty. So, Jesus, look at this. Ew. So I want to actually start putting things back on. I started putting the bumper on. I put one tail light in, but I got to find the screws that bolt them in. And yeah, I want to start getting this thing back together, button it up. I was trying to figure out like how to mock up this front mount. I was looking, you know, how big it will be, and I am going to be running the Speed Factory tuck radiator. So I was trying to figure out if I can still run this thing, and I'm pretty sure I can, but you know, whatever. I haven't really done anything new. Everything is still the same. I still got to redo the bay. I got to redo this part because I had took off the that thingy that goes down that actually holds the hood latch, so the hood latch, well, the hood could actually latch. But I'm actually good. This is gonna be like my mock-up hood because, you know, I got that little chip over here. I'm actually gonna clean this hood up, and I'm gonna probably give it to my brother or something. But I am going to be mocking up this hood. I'm going to be running hood pins and everything. So that being said, I actually have the brackets for the Recaro. So the Recaros is going in. But before I put them in, I want to clean the Recaros up a little better. Like, it's still dirty over here, dirty down there. This one's like pretty clean, but I still want to clean this up. Still, I want to try to get them like bright yellow. I want to blind you as I'm driving down the street. You heard? Anyway, while this was at the body shop, yeah, this thing is all dusty. So today I want to clean out everything out the Integra and get it cleaned up basically, because I want to throw in those seats. So today I want to clean the interior, get this back to black because it is confused. It's black and white. Whole bunch of dust everywhere. So yeah, I want to take everything out. I'm gonna clean the Integra. If anybody know anyone that's selling Type R headlights, let me know, because these are beat up. As you can see, they tore this shit up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get new headlights, whatever. But let's get started. Let's start taking shit out. Oh Lord. Oh man. Oh, there go the paint. Everything is now out of the trunk. This is what I was talking about. The headlights is beat up. I got a broken tab up here. I know I could actually fix this, but I ain't gonna fix it. I'ma just get new headlights. I got Type R rear seats. These are going for sale. I'm actually not gonna throw them away. I was about to say throw them away, but I realized some of you want them, so I am going to sell them. But got everything cleaned out, feel me? And I want to take these seats out, but I have nowhere to really put them. You know what? I'll take those out too. Alright, so now I got these seats out. Most likely those gonna be for sale too. I'm gonna see if my brother won. So, I actually found the bolts, or the nuts, or whatever you wanna call them, for my tail light. They in here, yeah. Your boy got them, so we can bolt the tail lights in. We got some nuts up in here too. Shit, we got nuts everywhere. They just dropping. I actually know what these are for. So we're gonna put these. That box a little janked up. We're gonna put this in this box. Now, time to start blowing out this interior. So I got this thing, right? It's a little Japanese, right? And no, it don't got the coronavirus. Don't start with that. Do not start with that. I'm gonna use it to clean out my interior because this shit dusty as hell. We gonna need that today. I should probably put on my mask. Next you know the coronavirus in here and I don't even know it. Alright, let me get my stuff and start blowing. Pause. Alright, so y'all know this coronavirus getting serious, right? Oh, shit. Oh man, I don't even remember how to put these on. Damn. Let's see if I can get this. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me.
You just get up, go to work 9 to 5.
My head too big?
Your days off, you sit at home, you're watching TV and you do nothing, and all you do is play video games all day long. I guess you have your zombies that want to do that.
Alright,
the other ones that want to
get somewhere, feel me? Because I know it's about to get dusty up in there, so you know.
I don't know how you want to put it. The free
got your bottle, got your blower, cap it up. Oh, I know y'all hear that in the background. I don't know. I'm always watching something on YouTube at work. It's just the vibe here. Now I gotta find my air holes. I'll be right back.
There's really not much around here. It's just a really dry lake bed with a few small little, I guess, hills, mountains, kind of surrounding it. No wildlife, nice open field to play, and do what you want. All my travel is 90% would be
Alright. Load up. We out. So the interior actually cleaned up real nice. I like it. This little thing right here, yo, this thing is like a lifesaver, I'm telling you. As I was using it, I'm blowing the dust everywhere, I know that, yeah, but I didn't, the vacuum here is kind of broken, like we still got like some dust over there, but I ain't worrying. I'm gonna actually go back through this interior. I'm gonna actually use that thing again, and then I'm gonna vacuum it, and then I'm gonna soak it. I actually want to soak it. I want to spray it up and then soak it with something real, you know, some good what do you call it, detergent, and then just blow it out, you know. But I want to vacuum it first, then soak it with detergent, and then go through it. But the interior is clean, dog. Clean. So with my rear trunk, I'm going to be doing the rear trunk delete. So I don't know exactly what's in the kit, but I actually might build it myself. So the trunk just looks straight flat. So it looks like there's nothing here. It's just straight flat with carpet. And I'm going to be doing that myself, so whatever. I'll figure it out. I'll figure out what's in the kit, and then I will build it myself. And that's about it. I got a lot of junk probably to throw away. Some of these stuff I'm probably not going to use. The Type R rear seats I'm actually going to be selling. So I'm going to end this vlog here. On the next vlog I am, because I'm actually running out of time. I wish I could vlog a little longer. But my next vlog, I am going to be cleaning these up. Cleaning them up real good. Tomorrow I might clean them up. Tomorrow I'm not going to be vlogging because I know I'm going to be busy tomorrow at work. And tomorrow I want to go home. I want to relax. I want to chill. And I want to edit this vlog. So tomorrow, when I have time, probably on my lunch break, I'm gonna clean these up, I'm gonna soak them up, and then I'm gonna spray them down with the same thing that's over there. That's a lifesaver, I'm telling you. I will put the link down in the, I can never say that. I will put the link down in the description below to that little, well, I don't even know what it's called, but it works. I'm not even bullshitting you. These seats, you should have saw these seats before I took them out the SI. They were dirty. But when I use that thing over there, I put like laundry detergent in it. You really could use like any laundry detergent, but make sure it don't got no bleach in there, cause you gonna have some real nice seats after that. But that's what I use on these, and they came out real clean. You see it here. I actually have a vlog up. I'll put that down in the description below, and so you guys could go to that vlog and see what I did to clean these Recaros. But back to the fact, or what I was saying, I am going to be cleaning them up tomorrow so I can get them ready. I got the brackets right here. I actually have brackets for the SI, a 9th gen. So if anybody is looking for brackets to fit in their 9th gen, I have the brackets here. I'm actually going to be taking them off because I got to put on the ones for this car, obviously. And yeah, so once I get them cleaned up, I'm going to do another vlog installing those. Now that the interior, I'm obsessed with this, man. This interior, even when I picked it up, it wasn't even this clean. Like, this interior is clean as heck. Yo, man, I'm telling y'all gotta get one of those. You have to, like, but you're gonna need some shop air or a compressor or something. But yo, I'm telling you, that little thing right there was the truth. Y'all seen it before I even started blowing the thing out. You know what I mean? Cause pause. Yeah. So anyway. Oh, them vibrant lines, y'all better get them. Them vibrant lines, yo, I'm telling y'all, vibrance is the truth. Alright, I'm ready to get out of here. Anyway, if you guys like this video, oh, I want to bolt these in. I'll do it tomorrow. But that's it for today's vlog. I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and I am coming back with more videos, so stay tuned. And I'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Thanks for watching.